So number 1 says the numbers 1 through 15 were each written on individual pieces of paper, one number per piece. Then the 15 pieces of paper were put in a jar. One piece of paper will be drawn from the jar at random. What is the probability of drawing a piece of paper with a number less than 9 written on it? All right, so go ahead and pause the video, try this problem out yourself, and then I'll demonstrate how to do the problem myself. So before we jump into actually doing any kind of work, I like to dissect the problem and see what is important for us to understand in order to do the problem. So it's asking what is the probability? So we need to understand what probability is. And I like to think of probability as wanted outcomes over the total outcomes. So in this case, we have the numbers 1 through 15, right? So there's 15 total outcomes. And what are the wanted outcomes? So what is the probability of drawing a piece of paper with a number less than 9? Okay, so we also have to clue into the fact of saying less than, not less than or equal to, right? So 9 doesn't count. We're not including that, just the numbers less than it. So 1 through 8, which means there's 8 numbers, right? So 8/15. So the ACT categorizes this problem under IES, which is Integrating Essential Skills, and Modeling. We also had to understand probability and then the difference between like a less than or equal to type of situation.